Namaskar, welcome you to the exciting world of nutraceuticals. Nutraceutical is a science where some atoms of food source from their natural sources show some health effect in some diseases and disorders. There are no medicines, these are not medicines like Ayurveda and herbal drugs. Phytabulates Nutraceutical is a R&D company working in this area. I am Dr. Chitra Savangikar. I am CMD of this company. Everybody knows that one has to eat green leafy vegetables every day. Is it possible? Some say why we should eat. Somebody say that it is for fiber content or vitamin content or mineral content we have to use green leafy vegetables. But nobody had thought that some ingredients from green leafy vegetables might have property to address to certain diseases and disorder. We are the first company globally to find such attribute for the greens. We have separated these ingredients which has got nutritional value and are converted to palatable forms from them. All the products are natural. Somebody will argue that what is great in this idea? One can consume greens after cooking every day, but there are very big practical problems. First is availability throughout the year. Second is only the 3% of ingredients that we eat by conventional method becomes bioavailable. Third is a in practical consumption stipulated amount of greens, and there is a very poor palatability. Our business model is doing R&D, searching literature, searching for science, asserting safety, filing patents in various jurisdictions to protect monopoly, and conducting clinical trials. We offer such a studied product to industry on patent licensing basis for further commercialization. We have successfully licensed one of our product on CKD to a Singapore-based company, and they have filed this patent in 83 countries. We have to our credit several national and international patents, and many are undergoing examinations in various countries. Such a business model is very acceptable in forward-looking companies. We adopt technology of fractionation of green leafy vegetables. It's not extraction, it is a fractionation. The fraction developed are very palatable and offer some punch in comparison what is available in the market. The first product that we get is a fiber, and we have converted this unpalatable form and very grassy flavored form to a very palatable leaf fiber, which is very tasty. It helps in normalizing bowel movement, and it also supports prolific growth of bacteria and colon. And there are many more additional advantages of fiber, and it's natural. The second product we had developed from this leafy vegetable is a pleasant. It is a natural antacid-like property. It is a natural. It has got antacid-like properties, and it doesn't come with a tag of injuries to the kidney. The third product we had developed is for immunity. It's a Liimmune green or Liimmune tea. It contains a bioavailable form of beta carotene, which helps in enhancing the innate immunity as well as adaptive immunity. And in the current situation of COVID, it's very important and it's very necessary also. Then comes the product CogniActive Mom. This addresses to the pregnant woman where there is a requirement of DHA to be taken by the pregnant woman, but there is a lot of problem with this DHA. It has got a fishy flavor, and its consumption is very difficult during the pregnancy. We have masked this DHA, and along with DHA we have given extract of green leafy vegetable, which is very high in beta carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A, and it maintains the balance of vitamin A during the pregnancy, which is very important. Then there is a product for restoring homeostasis. It is a low molecular protein from green leafy vegetables. This is a star product, and it helps in metabolic syndrome. It controls diabetes, it controls hypertension, and it's also useful in obesity and cardiovascular diseases. Then there is a product with a DHA only, which is in the mask form and in the powder form, and it gives adequate supply of DHA to our children. We thank you very much. You are most welcome to visit us at www.phytabulates.com. Thank you for your attention.